I just taped that whole thing and I didn't press record. Okay, so I have this dresser that I got from Facebook Marketplace. I'm so glad that you've clicked on this channel and grateful that you are here. I hope you enjoy the makeover. Consider subscribing. I am here every week and would love to have you along on the journey. My name is Sarah and this is 445 Designs. I just went inside and I got a package. Pam, thank you so much. Wait, look at these beautiful things. And for your kind message, I love that you think that I'm funny. Thank you so much. You have made my day. So I'm just removing the old base because I'm going to be building a new base out of oak. Ooh, okay. Spider. Australians don't mess with spiders. Oh, it's just laying and waiting in there for me. No. See that black dot there? Wait, right there. Ooh. Okay, yep, that's a spider. It's probably not deadly like Australian spiders, but it doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah. Right. See? Right there. Stop moving. Okay. Right. Honestly, spiders creep me out. Let's have a little look and a breakdown. Took, right, the base is on there, took the base off, and this here is the frame. And this piece of wood was keeping the base on. My base that I'm building is going to just sit right back on there. Now, this piece I'm going to carefully take off and I'm going to put it back on right here so it finishes the rectangle look on the front. And then the new base and legs will sit right there on top. That is going on right there. So in order for me to attach this new base, I'm going to need supports on the side, and I'm just using some offcuts from cut anything because the old base. Fits exactly. I'm using Bins today, shellac base primer in white, because I'm using a light colour. I want to get a base coat down that is consistent, especially of those raw wood parts. I'm just getting the same base down over the whole dresser. And I'm going to sand in between coats. I'm going to do 2 coats, and I'm going to use the 320 or higher grit just to get any bumps out. Have my rag, have my Dixie Belle oval brush, and my custom paint mix. So I really like this color, however, it does dry lighter on the piece. I would like it just a little more black. So adding a bunch of Dixie Belle's Caviar to the paint. I'm going to mix that in. And I didn't have quite a full jar anyway, so it's going to give me a full jar, which I'm going to need. This Stormy Seas, right, I was reading on their website, and it is more of a blue-grey, but it has a green undertone. So we're going to do a little something special on those middle 2 drawers, the bottom one with the door that opens. We're just going to give it a little pop of something special in there. Right, so felt the base. I've put poker holes in the 2 sides and 1 in the front, and I put an extra brace plate, right there to drill into. So I am just making any touch-ups. I like putting the drawers back in and having a little look around to see if there are any spots that I missed. There were a couple before I top coat. Have painted everything 3 times, light sanding in between all the coats before I poly the front. You saw me paint those drawers green and you're like, what is she doing? This is what I was doing. I have used this paper before. Isn't it gorgeous? Had planned on painting this green actually, so that's why it's got primer on it. But I thought differently. I had this paper and I wanted to use it. So I'm just spraying glue on the door as well as on the paper, wiping everything or pressing everything down, and then I'm going to use sandpaper to trim it up. Doing polyacrylic today in satin, so I'm just using up what I've got. I had this left over from my husband's desk, and I'm doing super thin coats like always, and I end up doing 3 thin coats, light sanding with the 320 or higher grit sandpaper in between, and then on my last coat I just wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. And you want to do that anyway, you want to get all the dust off in between coats as well. You don't want to top coat over dust. I love the clean lines, right? The square lines of the dresser. It is very similar to the nightstands that I did. I think I can sell them as a set. Even though they're not conventionally a set, they don't match exactly. I've painted them the same, I've given them the same base, and I've also sprayed the hardware in the same color. So you can mix and match nightstands with different dressers if they have the same sort of lines and painted in the same color and have the same sort of theme happening. So this dresser was huge. I love how it turned out. That Stormy Seas mixed with a little bit of Caviar just darkened it a little, was just enough. And because of the green undertones, it gave me inspiration to paint it green on the inside. And then of course I can't open the door, I'm in the way, but that wallpaper I had left over from my, are you okay? Yeah. You burnt your finger? Okay. I'm fine now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. It's gluing, hot gluing. Okay. Oh, baby girl. That wallpaper, it tied the whole green, gold, and blue, and the wood tones, it tied it all in together perfectly, and I was happy to use that again. And I hope to see you guys on next week's video. Bye guys.